Next is your power gain. So till now we have seen current gain, voltage gain, input impedance, output impedance, and current gain and voltage gain with respect to RS. And finally with current gain voltage gain use பண்ணி எழுதிருக்காங்க, voltage gain current gain use பண்ணி எழுதிருக்காங்க with RS. Okay, so finally it's your power gain. Okay, so power gain, how can you write output power and input power? So gain அப்படினாலே output by input power தான், output by input தான். இப்போ voltage gainனா output voltage by input voltage, current gainனா output current by input current. So power gain means output power by input power. So first you should calculate output power. So your actual output power can be written as generally we say P is equal to VI. Here you have to include the theta or the phase angle between your voltage and your current. Okay, so that is the actual parameter definition. So whenever you have your power, you have to include the phase difference between your current and voltage. So have cos theta. Okay, so P2 is equal to V2 IL illana output current with respect to the and including your phase angle. Okay, so why phase is removed here or why phase is neglected in this equation is at low frequencies your H parameters are real values, but at high frequencies and other range of frequencies it's complex value. Okay, here it is real value, so you need not include your power in case of theta in case of your low frequency. Low frequency பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் H parameter numerical values இல்லைன்னா H parameter values எல்லாமே வந்து real values தான் இருக்கும், காம்ப்ளெக்ஸாக இருக்காது, அதனால you are not including it. So you are considering P2 is equal to V2 into IL. Okay, your theta is not included. Okay, so you are considering only minus V2 I2. அதே மாதிரி input power na is equal to VI, P is equal to VI, P1 is equal to V1 into I1. Okay, so similar to your voltage gain. So here if you write minus V2 by V1, V2 by V1 as voltage gain minus I2 by I1 as current gain. The V2 by V1 voltage gain ஆகும், minus I2 by I1 current gain ஆகும் எழுதிருக்காங்க. Okay, so here in this again if you substitute if you write voltage gain in terms of current gain, you can obtain AI square RL by RI. So you have seen 6 parameters or 4 parameters. So current gain and current gain with RS, input impedance, output impedance, voltage gain with RS and without RS. Okay, so if you substitute the values of your H parameter model, H parameters HO, HF, HI, HR இதெல்லாம் ஒரு டிரான்சிஸ்டர் ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் டைமென்ஷனுக்கு மட்டும் எடுத்து சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி அனலைஸ் பண்ணி பார்க்குறப்போ அப்படினான வேல்யூஸ் தான் இதெல்லாமே AI, AB, AP, RI and R0, that is input impedance and output impedance. Okay, so for a particular transistor with specific dimensions, with specific geometry, they have taken and they have substituted all H parameter values. Okay, and they have found out what is your current gain, voltage gain, power gain, input impedance and output impedance. Okay, so this is general, they have considered a particular transistor. Okay, this is not applicable for all. As per their analysis, they have considered a transistor with specific parameters. அவங்க டிசைன் பண்ண ஒரு டிரான்சிஸ்டருக்கு அனலைஸ் பண்ணி பார்த்தப்போ இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்ச வேல்யூ. So that's all about your H parameter analysis. So this is your analysis of transistor amplifier using H parameter model.